everyone, welcome to TVCMALL. Today we are taking you inside CaseNeo, a brand focused on leather foam cases. With strong compatibility in design, production, and B2B supply. For customers interested in leather foam case wholesale sourcing or customization, this visit offers a closer look at their products and supply capability. First, let's take a look at CaseNeo's presence in Huaqiangbei. CaseNeo has 2 storefronts here. For many brands or factories, having one storefront is already common, but CaseNeo has 2, and both are relatively large in scale. Here in the stores, you can see some of their main product series. The focus is on leather foam case categories, including wallet style cases, magnetic styles, leather coated covers, and more. Now let's head into the factory and see how these products are developed and made. One of the first things CaseNeo pays attention to is material selection. Different leather materials are chosen here based on the product style, texture, surface finish, and the final look the product needs. This is the material cutting step. Here the material is cut into the right shape and size of the different parts of the case. These cut pieces will then be used in the next stages of assembly and structure building. For magnetic models, this is where the magnets are placed inside the case. This step is used to complete the magnetic structure of the product and keep the magnet position aligned inside the case. Here, the cut leather pieces are sewn together. This step connects different parts of the case and forms the stitched structure you can see on the final product. It's also the stage where the product shapes becomes more complete. After stitching, the next step is camera hole opening. And here they got different molds for different foam models. And this is what the product looks like after the opening is complete. They also use laser opening machines here. Once the model parameters are set on a computer, the machine can cut the openings very precisely, with clean and smooth edges. This helps reduce mold usage and improve efficiency. As magnetic charging becomes more widely used, magnetic-compatible case structures are also becoming more common in product development. This CNC laser machine is used to cut the inner slot for the magnetic function inside the case. First, a standard sample is measured, then the data is entered into the computer, and the machine cuts the material based on those specifications. This helps make sure the magnetic slot is cut in a correct precision and size, providing a more accurate base for the next assembly steps. Next, we have the edge finishing. At this stage, the leather edges are coated to make them look smoother, cleaner, and more even. Different edge paint colors are used based on different product designs and color matching. After the edge finishing is completed, the product is usually left to rest for at least 4 hours, so the edge paint can dry properly and set more firmly. Here, glue is applied to bond different layers of case together, securing the leather, inner structure, and other components in place. After that, the layers are pressed by machine to make the overall structure more complete and firmly bonded. They also produce a simpler type of case here, leather-coated cases. After the leather is cut and the openings are made, it's aligned with the base case and pressed together by machine. Once the pressing is completed, the case is basically finished. This type of case is also quite popular today, as it offers a clean and stylish look. This is the DIY area. Here you can find your lots of accessories can be matched according to your needs, like cup holders, handy straps, long shoulder straps, stands. This is also one of their key strengths. They support small batch customization and small orders, including custom logo printing and different product combinations to meet more personalized needs. This also fits well with TVCMALL's flexible sourcing model, especially with 95% of products available with no MOQ. Before the products are packed, they go through a final quality inspection. At this stage, the team checks the appearance, stitching, openings, service finish, and overall assembly of each product. Here, they are preparing orders for TVCMALL. After inspection, the products move to the packaging process. They are packed according to the product type and order requirements, so they can be better protected during storage and shipment. This is no warehouse. They have a large amount of stock. Let's take a look at some of their popular series. This is one of the most popular series, Mandala. This is the carbon fiber series for Huawei models and more. This is the latest series, Flower and Leaves. Multiple card holders inside. In terms of supply compatibility, their daily output can reach 10,000 pieces with a total inventory of over 600,000 pieces, covering more than 115 models. From production to warehousing, they can provide a more complete one-stop supply service. This is another part of a warehouse to store their semi-finished products. Here, there are different styles of leather covers. Here are the inner cases for different phone models. And here we have for Oppo, Realme, iPhone, for Samsung and Moto, and for Google, and for Huawei, Samsung Fold series. And those over here are inner covers for other phone models as well. Another part here is content support. CaseNeo can also provide product photography and video materials. This can help customers with product presentation and online selling materials. And at TVCMALL, we also provide product images, videos, and descriptions for our customers. For customers with system integration needs, we also support API connection, making it easier to snag product information directly to your own system. This is an sample display area. Here you can see different product styles, colors, and designs. It gives a quick view of their product range. Here is the certification area. For TVCMALL, visits like this help us better understand the brand and factories behind the products. As Europe's #1 one-stop mobile accessories wholesaler, TVCMALL is committed to connecting customers with more reliable products, stronger suppliers, and more complete sourcing support. So this is all our visit to CaseNeo. If you are interested in mobile accessories, wholesale sourcing, and more wholesale solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe and explore with TVCMALL. See you!